Welcome you all on certificate course on computer basics and MS Office from basic to advanced. Friends, today we'll be learning Microsoft lines and paragraph spacing. And in this, there are two very important points that are to format the line spacing and the paragraph spacing. Okay, so how we will do this, we'll learn now. Whenever we are starting with where to locate, where is our paragraph? So on the screen, you will find on the ribbon rather a small box mentioning paragraph. So the moment I click here, paragraph dialog box is open like this. Okay, and here we can do two settings, that is line setting and paragraph setting. Friends, what is line spacing? The spacing between the two lines that we are typing is line spacing, and the spacing between the two paragraphs is the paragraph spacing. How will you differentiate whether it is a line spacing or a paragraph spacing? Wherever you press enter key, a new paragraph is created. So that is your paragraph spacing. And if you're typing in continuation and in between the two lines are there, then that is line spacing. Okay. So how will you identify it? Is it clear? So friends, this type of dialog box will appear in front of you. In that you will see alignment that we have discussed earlier. One more thing you will see, that is indentation. I'll tell you later. Here first we will concentrate on two things. One is paragraph spacing, that is before and after. Before and after, how much spacing is there, that matters a lot. Okay, by default it is 0 point. You can extend it, see here. By default it is 0 point. You can go it per 6 point, 10 point, 14 point, 12 point. It depends. Okay. Then line spacing is by default, it is single. If you have made it as a setting, then it can go for like 1.15, or if somewhere in some manuscripts they ask for double spacing or triple spacing. So likewise you can mention. Okay. Then how to set out lines and paragraph pages will work out in our advanced course. Okay. One more thing we will learn today is the tab positions. See, if I click here, can you look at this tabs? So tab is what? When I from the keyboard, if I press the tab key, almost 8 white spaces or a half-inch space on the paper is left blank. Okay, so that is called as tab, and it is used for a proper alignment on the paper. If we want to have a proper alignment, or sometimes while writing the paragraph, generally we uh, set a half-inch space and then we start typing. So it is up to our need what type of spacing and where you want. Okay, so that tab by default it is of half-inch distance. As per our requirement we can set it. That alignment of tab is of generally it is of three types: left, center and right for the text. And for decimal, like fraction, what type of alignment we want. Suppose like I am using decimal 4.44 and second number is 5.36. So that dot should come one after another in a proper line. So if I use select decimal from here, it will match the position. Then friends, leader is what? Before the tab spaces, sometimes we need to have a dash or a dot or a underline. Then we can select a leader. That is the leader. Okay. What is the leader in terms of tabs? whenever we start writing before the tab space, whatever is as like a filling of that space, either it is a white space or a set of dots, or you can say dash or a underscore. Then paragraph spacing can be done from C here. The 4 lines or 5 lines and a double-sided arrow is displayed on the toolbar. From there, you can select these numbers are for the line spacing, and these two are for your paragraph spacing. So suppose if you are clicking on add space before paragraph, it will add the space before the paragraph, and it will add that much space like the we have mentioned, like 4 point, 10 point, 6 point, 12 point. Okay, and remove space after paragraph means it has been added earlier. Just if we click it directly from here, it will remove it and make it 0. I'll demonstrate it, you don't worry. Okay, so here for the paragraph spacing, add space before paragraph and remove space before paragraph is used. And here we'll see the line spacing is of 2. It is of 2.53. Okay, where the where you will mark the before and after. See here, 6 point, 10 point. Before it is given 6 point, after it is given 10 point, and line spacing is of double. Okay, so this is the assignment. Change the line spacing. Change the line spacing of the paragraph of a text. Change the paragraph spacing between body text and a heading. Okay. Next topic that we will see is what are lists. Friends, it is many times required that we don't want a running test or a continuous test written in a paragraph. What we need a bulleted text. Like you see here, there are 2 main points, and these 2 main points are having 2 subpoints. So how they are created? Okay, here you are finding it is having a arrow side or a marker type of symbol, and here it is a hollow oval or a hollow round or just a round. Okay, so how these type of things are selected, that we will see. Okay, so friends, here you will find, if I directly click on here, I'll get a bulleted list, and if I click on here, I'll get a numbered list. Okay, the default or the recently available what we can say bullets are available in your this particular area. If I click on bullet, and these type of bullets are available. If by what is the default one, this is the default one. If I want to have my set of symbol, then I have to click on define new bullet. Okay, then next comes numbering. How will we select numbering? If I click on here, it will be just showing the numbering. See friends, from this there is list of varieties that we can do for here. Okay, then from here we can select bullets as we have discussed earlier. And when I click on define new bullet, it will ask for symbol. So while I click on symbol, you will see a list. Such a wide range of list is there. Suppose I want this bullet, I'll click on this and click on OK. Okay. If I want to change its color or make it bold or increase the size of the bullet, so friends, here from here I can select the color and just make it bold or italic and change the sign. Rest I'll not touch over here. Okay. So this is the assignment with respect to bullet. Change the bullet to an existing list to a different bullet. Insert new numbered list into the document and modify the color of the bullet. Okay. Now, this is the most needful component of Word, that is text box. So next we will learn, I'll demonstrate all these 3 things to you in details. So you need not to worry. First, I'm creating the background of it. So to insert a text box, to change the text box style, to change shape fill, to change the shape outline, to change the text box shape, to move the text box, to resize the text box. Okay, so where we will locate the text box, see here, like this box is available on the ribbon. From there we can click on it. Okay, the moment I click on insert, I'll be able to see this type of a set of boxes that are previously like a template, they are available. So I can select from that, or I can click on draw text box, and like we draw a rectangle in paintbrush, likewise we can draw a rectangle over here. Okay. Now next comes how we will format it. Okay, so the moment you draw a text box, until that you will not be able to see these options, but the moment you have drawn a text box or you have typed in it and then you need to format it, so you will have to select that particular text box. The moment you select the text box, you will be able to see the text box tool format. From there you can select the shape fill. If you need more options, you can click on this particular shapes. See here, the drop arrow is available. You can select from here. Okay. If I want to change the color of the shape fill, see by default the purple color is there. Okay. If I want, I can select it from here. If it is not there in the required that type of color, or that color that I want to use over here is not available, then I'll click on more fill colors or either picture, gradient or texture, and make my required shape look like that. That is the text box having the color look like that. Okay. Then if I want to format the background, see here, this blue color is the shape fill, is due to shape fill rather, and the white color is due to the outline. Okay. So now what type of color do I like to have here? That also I can select from shape outline. I can change the shape. If I don't want a rectangle shape to be there for the text box, but I want some different shape like parallelogram, or a rectangle with a plus sign, or a pentagon, or likewise a cube. So I can change it. Okay. What I'll do, I'll click on change shape and just make the selection of the required shape and click on OK. Okay. So what's the assignment with respect to text box? Open an existing document, insert a text box, change the outline of the text box to different color, change the fill color of the text box, move the text box to the desired location, and enter any text into the text box. So we'll see the demonstration of the three things right now here. First, we will see the line spacing and paragraph spacing. This is the sample file that is available with me. Okay. So before applying the line spacing, I'll select it. See here, these are the tools available. It is one spacing, single spacing for line, and by add paragraph, see, add space before paragraph, add space after paragraph. Now we will see before, after. Before I am clicking, so it's impacting on before. See, the space is increased. It's not the font space we have increased. It is just the space, empty space between before the paragraph. Okay. Now what happened? What option did I check right now here? Please try to take a note of it. Earlier it was like don't add space between paragraphs of same style. So the two paragraphs were of same style. That's why the reflection of space between and after the paragraph was not visible. So you will have to click on this option. Don't add space between paragraphs of same style. And then you will be able to view the difference. Okay. So this is paragraph spacing. Next is line spacing. Directly I can make the arrangement from here. But if I want, I can click on line spacing option, and from here the line spacing is available. I'm making it single and clicking on OK. Next is with respect to tab positions. Friends, there are two ways that I can use the tab positions. See here on the ruler, if I click on it, see here, by default left tab is available. If I double click on it, the tab dialog box is available, and I can select on the specific where I require a tab top. I want to change it. I want to add it. By default, it is the measuring metrics here is centimeter. Some computers might have inches. Okay. If I want to set, I'll click on set. Suppose I want it on 0.75 centimeter and it should be a center one. I'll click on set and I'll click on OK. See here, a new tab is visible. Okay. So this is tab spacing. I'll just do the clear all option. Friends, here no leading is there. I'll just make a setting over here 1.27 centimeter. Okay. I'm clicking on set and I'm putting the leading this. Okay. Now I'm putting the tab key. See, the dash is appearing. The okay. So leading means only first time from the start till the first word is there. That type of tab space is available. Okay. If I click enter here, got it? The tab space and it's leading. Okay. Then we will see the bulleted list. Suppose I'm selecting this and I'm removing space after paragraph. Remove space before paragraph. Okay. Now, suppose I want to make a grocery list. So I'm taking list A1 item, A2 item, A3 item, A4 item, A5 item. Okay. So how I can, there are two choices to create it. First, I'm typing it and then make the settings, or while typing, before typing, you make the settings and then type. Okay. But from my side, the suggestion will be you first type all your contents and then apply the formatting. Okay. So friends, suppose this is the bullet, I'm applying it. If I need to apply all the bullets to all the things, I have pressed Ctrl Z to undo the things. Okay. Instantly, you will find the indentation and the type of bullets they are displayed. Okay. I don't want bullets. I want to remove it. Again, I'm selecting and just clicking on the bullet option. It is undo. Okay. These are the numberings. This is removed. Now, I don't want this. I want to change the new bullet. Okay. So I'm selecting the symbol. I don't want this symbol. I want, suppose, this symbol or this one. Okay. Okay. I hope you are getting it. New bullet style. If I want to have some picture, right now, I guess Yes, some are available. Okay, so this type of picture is available. See, the bullets look like that. So if you are preparing any flyer or a leaflet or some point-wise list or some notes, so this option will help you. Okay, so I hope you got it. Then next is numbering. We'll see it in details. Now you can select either 1, 2, 3, this type of either Roman 1, ABCD, small ABCD without brackets, or Roman in lowercase. Okay. If you wish to have your number formats, you can create it. Like I have written A1, A2, A3, A4. So you can create it by yourself. Okay. So I am clicking on new number format, and before that, see here, I am putting A, A. Okay. So now you will see the numbers are AA1, AA2, AA3, AA4. Likewise, you can customize your uh, list. Okay. Then next option that we have seen was working with text box. Okay. So how to get those text boxes, that we will see. Sorry. Insert. In the insert menu, here you can see the text box. Okay. The moment I click on text box, these are the samples available. If I wish, I can use this. See here, by default, the moment I click on this, the things are available. Okay. Then next we have seen suppose this type of text box, it is deselected. Deselected means somewhere your insertion pointer is pointing towards the typing of text at some text part. So you will have to manually come here, click on it. The moment it is selected, then only the format menu will be appeared over here. Okay. Then you can click on this format menu, and from here you can select the shape fill, shape outline, and change shape. Okay. This is the more option where you can select the options that are pre-available with you. See, so instant it is. Okay. Now I'll click on shift fill. This is the color that is available. If I don't want any fill, I'll click on no fill. I want more fill colors. See, the range is there. I'm not satisfied with this list. I can select more colors from here. So this is the color. Okay. Then shape outline. Friends, here you can see a brown outline is available. Okay. Now with that we can add on two to four more things, that is weight. How much width the outline should be. Okay. Whether your outline should be a continuation one or a dotted one or a dash one or a bigger dash one or a dash, long dash and small dash one. Okay. Likewise it will appear. It's really an amazing one. If you wish to have some pattern with it, you can use this type of it also. It is the pattern border. If you can view it, you will see a border is spot pattern. Okay. Now, next we have seen is change shape. How we can change the shape? See here. It's parallelogram. It's this type. It's this one. Okay. Right now I have not typed any contents in it. So if I wish to type the contents, what I have to do? Click in the middle and start typing here. Okay. This is the one way, or another way is right click on it and click on edit text. Right click on the shape you have selected for the text box and click on edit text. Now you can type. Okay. If you want to change the font color of this text box, like we said, change the font color of any text, go to home. See, the color is changed. You can change its style, its font, its font size. Okay. Likewise, you can make the changes as per your requirement. Okay. I hope the things are understood. Anyone having any doubts? I guess we are done for the day.